We have an update coming in from the Gujarat, where in Rajkot, remember, the gaming zone that had caught fire and led to the loss of life of over and approximately 30 people, including children. First images caught on CCTV as it appears. Where did the fire begin? What was happening? There was a welding work that was being done, and that led to a massive fire and spread throughout the gaming zone. This is how the fire had started. You can see that there are some, if I'm correct, if I've gathered it, there appears to be some wood. There are some sparks that start because of the welding, and then the flames spread like wildfire. The fire equipment, which is supposed to be there for emergency like this, found to be non-functional. There were no fire safety clearances given to this gaming zone. 3,000-litre diesel was stored on site at a place where there are clearly children coming in to play. This was a gaming zone, a gaming arcade, and that is why we've had children's death reported as well. Brijesh Doshi, who first reported it and is now updating us what precisely happened. Tell me what exactly happened, because I see some workers around trying to extinguish the flames. It doesn't seem to be working. But how can a welding work fire spread like this throughout the gaming zone? What is the update on this, Brijesh?
Pooja, as per the CCTV, it shows that visuals capture in the CCTV footage the fire which was initially broke out in the extension area to do the welding work. Engulfed the whole building in the flames due to the evidence of the flammable materials at the site, which helped the fire to quickly spread throughout the gaming zone, and thus the claiming of the 727 lives. So this was the main reason due to which the fire, whole building caught the fire. There was a 1,000-litre diesel and petrol. The flammable material was there due to go-karting activity. So this was the basic reason which lead to this kind of major tragedy incident at the Rajkot gaming zone. So first it was welding, and then the flammable material which was there in the storage, due to which the fire caught the whole building.
So whether it's the Delhi fire or this Gujarat Rajkot fire, reminder of how without licenses, expired licenses, no fire safety, there are zones and areas which are allowed to be run, and how. And that's a question that perhaps in many states need to be looked into. Very saddening. Remember, children also have lost their life in this case. While the investigation has intensified in the TRP game zone fire horror, Gujarat High Court will now hear the Rajkot fire tragedy matter after taking suo motu cognizance on this over the weekend. The High Court has called the fire that killed at least 28 people, including children, a clear man-made disaster. India Today accessed the CCTV footage that shows what happened, when did the first fire begin, and look at how it spread then throughout the gaming zone, where families had come to enjoy some peace and quiet and have some family fun. Welding work was going on in a section, a part of the gaming zone. The spark started and led to a full-blown explosion that triggered the flames and fires across the gaming zone. Gujarat police have arrested both the owner and the manager of the gaming zone on Sunday. Aam Aadmi Party in the Congress, while paid tribute to those who lost their life in the horrific fire, but there's also a political showdown that's erupted. The question is, who is responsible for such a disaster? Glaring testament to negligence. 28 innocent lives, including children who had come to play, enjoy, lost because there were no safety measures in place.